Top 5 discoveries that changed the world and still shape the present. Drop a comment if you guessed the last one correctly. 1. The discovery of germ theory, 1800s, discovered by Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch. Why it changed everything. Before this, people thought disease came from bad air. Germ theory revealed that microscopic organisms cause disease, revolutionizing medicine, hygiene, and public health. Impact today. Modern vaccines and antibiotics, sterile surgeries in hospitals, pandemic control strategies. 2. Electricity as a usable power source, 1800s, pioneered by Michael Faraday, Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison. Why it changed everything. Electricity wasn't just a scientific curiosity anymore. It became the power behind the modern world. Impact today, power grids, homes, cities, smartphones, computers, internet, electric vehicles, and AI. 3. The invention of the internet, 1960s to 1990s. Created by ARPA, Tim Berners-Lee, others. Why it changed everything. Connected the world like never before, shifting communication, business, and knowledge sharing into a digital age. 4. The discovery of DNA structure, 1953. Discovered by James Watson, Francis Crick, Rosalind Franklin. Impact today, genetic testing and ancestry services, gene editing like CRISPR, personalized medicine and treatments. 5. Cloud computing and AI breakthroughs, 2000s present. Developed by many tech giants, Amazon, Google, OpenAI, etc. Why it changed everything. Shifted how we store data, interact with machines, and even think. AI now helps us write, learn, heal, and create.